This is a tri screw. Let's see, do we have anything that could unscrew that? I'm not sure if I have anything big enough to do that. Not a perfect fit, but it's doing the job. Sometimes when you don't have the screws, you have to improvise. There you go. So we have these triangle screws, and they're a pain, but I've been able to improvise with this knife. Able to unscrew it. There you go. This is a big pain. We're getting the screws out, and that's what's important. Unfortunately, it's just taking longer than it should. Alright, so we're getting into the tea kettle. And from the looks of it, it's just a bunch of wires and stuff, so that's not too hard. Some screws, and we will get that inside stuff taken out. Go, and we can cut this stuff and put it in a wire pile.